You know, life has a funny way of piling things on. Stress, loss, loneliness. We carry it in different ways, quietly or loudly.
But sometimes all it takes is a simple act of kindness to make the weight a little lighter. Simple acts of kindness, they don't need to be grand. They don't make headlines. Often they're just small gestures, a smile, a text, a listening ear. But trust me, these small things, they start big changes. You see, most folks aren't looking for miracles. They just hope someone notices they're carrying more than they can handle. And that notice, it reminds them they're not invisible. Kindness doesn't have to be big to matter. Checking in on someone, letting them go ahead in line, offering a genuine how are you, and really listening, bringing a meal, sitting in silence when words aren't needed, helping with small tasks, thanking someone who's usually unnoticed. Simple, but powerful. And here's the beautiful part, it doesn't stop there. One kind act often leads to another. The warmth you give can travel further than you think, like tossing a stone in a pond. The ripples reach far beyond what you see. I get it. Some days being kind feels like one more thing on your plate. Tired, frustrated, that's okay. Sometimes kindness is just not snapping, taking a breath, giving yourself grace. That counts too, because you can't pour from an empty cup. For those rebuilding, healing, or finding steady ground, kindness can be a turning point. It doesn't fix everything overnight, but it reminds us we matter, we're not alone, and change is possible. So, where do you begin? Don't overthink it. Pick one small thing, send that message, make that call, offer that help. No perfect plan needed, just a willing heart. Simple acts of kindness that actually change lives aren't about perfection. They're about presence, noticing, showing up even in small ways. And if all you do today is one kind thing, that's more than enough. If this spoke to you, don't let it stop here. Share this with someone who could use encouragement. Reach out to a friend today, or come spend some time with us at Hope Restored Farms. There's always room at the table.